Welcome back. This episode I'm gonna do the brakes, and that will be interesting. I have bought a new master cylinder. Yeah, that wasn't easy to find, but after some searching I found out that the master cylinder was from a Fiat X19. Sweet little sports car. But yeah, so that's okay. And I have made gas pedal assembly. So yeah, first now is to put this in, and then we go on the brakes and see what I come up with there. Sweet. Now the brake pedal assembly is in and ready. So yeah, now over to the brakes. Let's see how it looks like in here. Right, let's see if I can get the shoes off. Putting something under so the oil doesn't go everywhere. Strange little setup. It's okay. Okay. Now let's try to clean it up a bit. Okay. This seems to be working nice. That's cool. Right. Now everything is clean, and let's see. I found out the wheel cylinders are from a Fiat 900T. Right, let's try to put it back together. Let's have some a little copper paste. It just a little bit. So, found out how to adjust the brakes. As you can see back here, there's two bolts with 17mm nuts. You loosen the 17mm and use a 7mm on the edge here. As you can see, you can adjust the shoe in and out. That's how you adjust it. Of course, with the drum on. Right, now I'm going to change the brake light on this side. Right, let's make a new line. Here's the old one. Try to make something similar. Right, now let's make it fit. Like that. Okay, this side is ready. That's nice. What? Like that? Yep. That. Sweet. Right, over to the front, same thing here, clean it up and see if something needs to be replaced. Everything is clean, so let's try to put it back together. There. Copy paste on here. There. Oh, fy fan. Right, now everything is clean and put back together. So now it's time to change the brake lines. That was, of course, not easy that either. this is the original brake line. Difficult tread. The only other car I found with this tread on the brake line was for a Lada, and of course they were not long enough, so I had to buy 2 of these. See if I can make that work. And now put on the brake line from the Lada. Oh, this will work, I think. Like that. Right, and now I need to make a copper line from here up and up to the master cylinder. Right, now this tube is ready to be put on. I'm going to do it from the inside first. Onto the master pop, master cylinder, and then through the floor, through the floor here, and then on to the master. That. Now I'm gonna go outside and see. Hopefully it's long enough. That, sweet. And now the line for the rear brakes, up like that, put it on the master cylinder, and yeah, right, so I have to put it on, see. This is nice, I think. Good enough. Time to put on the front wheel again. What you think? That. Right, so I now have turned this thing around and ready to do the last brake drop. Hopefully it's as good as the 2 others, but we'll see. Okay, this side the wheel cylinder needed to be changed, so I bought a new one. Those pins didn't come with, so need to put them over See? And then it should work. You see? It does fit, so that's positive. Yeah. It's fast with Torx in the back. No stretch, but okay. So, there you have it. The wheel cylinders from the Fiat 900T does fit. And yeah, it's the same